Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. To remove the applications from our watch, we can do it through the app menu. To do it, we can wake up the screen, then press the crown button to open the app menu, and here you can look for the icon of the app you want to remove, and once you find it, you can press and hold on that icon. The watch will enter the edit menu or editing menu, and here you will see that some of the icons have this X button on them, which means you can remove them from your watch. And to do that, you can tap on the icon you want to remove, tap on delete app, and the app will be removed from your watch. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.